Hello everybody. This will be my first attempt at a YouTube video. We're going to talk about cooking a free-range chicken in my cast iron skillet. Alright. Okay, so what we've got here is one free-range chicken, a couple of pounds. I've got some shallots because they were left over. You can definitely substitute onions. Got some garlic, salt, pepper. Got some bacon grease back there in that mug. Some fresh multicolored carrots. Some little tiny mini baby carrots, and then some Yukon Gold potatoes and the cast iron skillet. Let's get our mise en place going. Alright, so I got the shallots. I'm just going to chop them up just very loosely, mostly just getting the skins off them. I'm not too worried about making these into super fine because they're going to be a basic aromatic for this and sit in the cast iron, just kind of bring that flavor into the chicken. So main thing is get the skins off and maybe cut them once or twice. Okay, for the garlic, same deal. Just trying to clean it up a bit. Got a couple cloves in there. Alright, so I pulled about 5 cloves there. Let me just put one back, might be 4 now. And again, I'm just pulling them off their skin. Down to 3. And if I wasn't recording, I'd pick that up. But since I am, alright, they can stay pretty much whole like that. Carrots will leave the same, potatoes will leave the same. So as far as our mise en place go, yeah, that's it, minus the chicken. So I'll quarter the chicken as well. Cut down the breastbone. This chicken is still a little bit frozen. I planned to do this last week camping, but we actually forgot the chicken, so I refroze it and pulled it out to do it this weekend. Kind of tough to tell what's against iced chicken and what's against breastbone, but I think I got it. Not too much waste. Chris Bechtel would be proud. It's less than 50 cents an ounce. Alright, so one breast. 2 breasts, and I really didn't mean to pull all that skin off, but it kind of just fell off when getting there. But I put it in the cast iron, so I'll render that. Alright. I can find the knuckle for the drumstick. The drumstick. And then the wings. So you can see this a little bit better. There we go. And we've got these thighs to cut off. One thigh, 2 thighs. Keep the skin on, or the bones on. And that is that. Alright, so I've got some hot coals here. Got some old ones down on the bottom and some new ones to keep it going. That's going to be the starting point. And then I've got about 1 tablespoon heaping of bacon grease with some of that skin from the chicken. We'll put that on and render that. Spread that out just right. Alright, I'll let that heat up. Okay, and then meanwhile, I will throw some salt and pepper onto all the chicken. Fresh ground is always best. Alright, so I've got that rendering. Let's take a look and see. Yep, 400 degrees. This will be plenty hot to drop the chicken in. All right, I'm just trying to brown the chicken before adding the vegetables. Breast and thighs. Some drumsticks. And some wings to throw in there. Alright. that's it. That was a chicken skin. But I'll flip these thighs over. Big thighs. And I'll just keep working this chicken to get it nice and brown. Get it down there into the oils and the rendered skin fat. There we go. Get that thigh down there, gets in contact with the cast iron. Tuck that chicken skin back in. I'll keep playing with this. Alright, so got some browning going on. I'm going to start adding the potatoes and essentially a mirepoix with the shallots, carrots. Alright. Now I'll cover this, I'll keep it hot for a while, and basically braise this and see how it turns out. Alright, we're about 30 minutes in. I loaded some charcoal briquettes around the bottom of those hardwood briquettes just to get them warm. So I took some of those now and I've thrown them on top. The chicken is cooking along. It smells awesome. I did throw a little bit of thyme in there. I forgot to mention that earlier. Yeah, probably another 30 to 45 minutes. We'll take a look. Alright, so it's browned. I just scraped the bottom of the pan. We got some sticking going on. That's good though. Everything looks nice and charred and cooked. I'll take it off here in a minute and plate it up. Alright, so this is it. I'm going to pull it out and plate some of it. And it's all ready. Alright, there we go. Some carrots, some chicken, some potatoes, all in the cast iron. Enjoy.